Hi guys, my name is Benjamin.
And me, Stefan. Today we prepare with you a vegan baked oatmeal. All we're going to need for this is 1 spoon, 1 bowl and 1 baking tray. To the ingredients, we need oats. Instead of the oats, you can use even bulgur, couscous, quinoa or spelled oats. Then shredded coconut, cinnamon and ginger powder, apple mousse, agave syrup and frozen forest fruits. For the fruits, actually you can look in your fridge, whatever you have left, you can use it. Apple, banana, orange, kiwis, so there is no limits actually. And the last step, soy milk. So you put everything in a bowl, you mix it well. It's a perfect breakfast for people who has no time in the morning, so you can easily prepare it the day before and you are ready to go.
Okay, now we are finished and we take it in a tray. We have take it with a baked spray, but you can take also a baked paper.
So you put the whole mix in the tray and then you put it for around 20 to 30 minutes into the oven by around 160 degrees. You take it outside, you leave it cool and it's ready to go for next morning.
You can think it's 12 hours later and you stay up in the morning. You can slice it in how many pieces what you want. We take it for 6. And now you are finished.
And we are ready to go.
We show you 2 different platings.
And you leave us a comment which one you like. For the garnish we use raspberries, blackberries and currants. Again, also if you have other fruits you can also garnish it with other fruits. Soy yogurt, agave syrup and some roasted almonds. So, Benjamin starts with the soy yogurt, then we're putting some fruits on top, a little bit of agave syrup and the coconut. It's also a perfect dish for your social media. The finishing touches. And I think we are ready to go. That looks good. Fantastic. Guys, vegan baked oatmeal, 2 versions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Chef Benjamin, Chef Stefan. Subscribe, give us a like. If you have any question, comment and see you next time.
Bye.